If you want to give your students access to courses or exclusive content in GoHighLevel but don't know where to start, don't worry. In this video, I will walk you step by step so your students can easily log in and access the right lessons. Even if you are a complete beginner, you can easily do that. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and boost your productivity. If that sounds good to you, hit the subscribe button and make sure you check the link from the description for the 30 days GoHighLevel free trial link and the live bootcamp access and some exclusive bonuses. So just check that out. Now let's get back to the video. So once you are inside of the GoHighLevel your account, you just need to go your membership page from this left side panel and move to the product from this course tab. Now let's say this is our course, we want to send this to our student or we want to give the access of this product. Now what you can do, you cannot give the access directly in the GoHighLevel, so we are going to use the automation and the offer system in the GoHighLevel. So to do that, from here just move to the offers, and from here you can create the offer. So just click on this create offer and give it a name, and you can select the your product or course. So I already created, so just give it a name and save this. You can see there is already created a offer. So we will send this course as an offer to our student. So to do that, just move to the automation. Now here just click on this create workflow and go for the start from scratch. Now let's change this workflow name and give it a name is student access. So now click on this add new trigger. Here search for the order. So when someone ordered the course, it will send automatically to their email or SMS. So you can go any of these both. So I'm just going with order from submission. Here if you want, then you can change this name, so I'm just keeping as it is. Now click on this filter and here so submission type and go for the sale. Okay, so because we are selling our course, so then save trigger. So if someone buy our course from the order submission, it will automatically send in their inbox or email. Now click on this plus icon to add an action. Now write for the offer. So earlier we have created a offer, so you can see there is option for this course grant offer. So select that, and here you can see all of your offers. So we have created this one, so it's showing only one. So select that and save action. Okay, so that's it basically. Now whenever someone submit a form or order our course or buy our course from our website or funnel, it will automatically send the course as the offer to their email with all of the access information. So that's it basically. This is how you can easily make a workflow, and this is how you can easily send your course or give the access to your student. Now if you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.